Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of a very interesting credit card, the Citi Diamond Preferred Card. Now, this isn't one of those flashy high reward cards that you see everywhere. It's all about low interest, long 0% introductory periods, and financial breathing room. So in this video, I'll take you through an extended overview, main features, pricing and fees, and pros and cons, as well as a balanced conclusion on why the Citi Diamond Preferred might actually be one of the best cards for managing debt in 2025. The Citi Diamond Preferred Card is designed primarily for one thing: helping you manage or eliminate interest payments. While most credit cards try to attract you with big rewards, travel points, or cashback, this one focuses on giving you time to pay off what you owe without being crushed by interest. In other words, this is a financial tool, not a luxury perk card. This card is ideal for people who want to transfer balances from high interest credit cards, people who need to finance a large purchase over time without paying interest, or simply want a backup card with no annual fee and a very long 0% APR window. As of 2025, Citi continues to position this card as one of the longest 0% APR offers on the market. You get 0% interest for 21 months on balance transfers and 0% interest for 12 months on new purchases. So you can think of this card as your financial reset card, the one that you turn to when you need to make smart money move or reduce high interest debts. Now let us talk about the main features of the Citi Diamond Preferred Card. Number 1, the 0% introductory APR on balance transfers. You get 0% APR for up to 21 months from the date of your first transfer. That means you can move existing credit card debt to this card and pay it off nearly 2 years with no interest. You need to make the transfer within the first 4 months of opening the account to qualify, and of course there's a transfer fee. This feature alone is why most people get the Citi Diamond Preferred. Number 2 is also the low introductory APR on purchases for 12 months. It's actually 0%. 0% interest for 12 months on new purchases. That's perfect for large planned expenses. Number 3, no annual fee. It costs $0. That's another major plus. Many cards charge you around $95 or more per year just to keep them active. Number 4, you have access to Citi benefits. You have access to Citi's online account management, the mobile app, and free FICO score updates. Number 5, you have access to standard Citi protections. So like most Citi cards, you also get features like digital wallets, compatibility, fraud protection, and contactless payment support. Just for emphasis, let us talk about the pricing. As earlier mentioned, it costs $0, so it is totally free to own. $0 liability on unauthorized charges. You also have free access to your FICO score, and it costs you 5% of the amount transferred as the balance transfer fee. That's a minimum of $5. There's also a foreign transaction fee that applies, 3%, which means it's not great for international spending. Having talked about this, what are the pros and cons of using this card? First, the pros. It has one of the longest 0% APR periods on balance transfers in 2025. There is no annual fee, so it costs you nothing to keep it long term. 0% introductory APR on purchases for 12 months. That has flexibility for large buys, and is a great tool for debt consolidation. And the cons? There's no rewards program. You can earn cashback, points, or miles. And the balance transfer fee can add up on large transfers. It's not ideal for international travel too due to the foreign transaction fee. So having considered all of this, I'd say in short, the Citi Diamond Preferred Card is not about luxury. It's about strategy. It's about you using time, not rewards, to your advantage. And for many responsible cardholders this year, that makes it one of the best debt management tools available. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Citi Simplicity Card, Citi Double Cash Card, and Discovery Cashback. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.